But this thing here is what we're really discussing today. This is how it detaches when it comes from the factory. It's just a pin, and it's a real pain in the you-know-what to actually attach it and what have you. So this is what we need. You need a cast coupler. This is the best one I found. You need the locking pin just to be on the safe side. Pintle hitch channel. This particular one you can cut in two. The hitch ball mount. This one's pretty sturdy. I welded that to the center hitch. The hitch ball. I went all for the biggest size, 2 5/16 inch. And since I put the center hitch on there, also from EZ-Trails, purchased 120, 140 bucks, you cut this thing off, and then I welded the ball mount to the bottom of it, and obviously attached the hitch ball. The bale basket itself looks like this. You can see the spring here. It's spring loaded for the tongue. That makes it quite easy to attach and disassemble. Unfortunately here I'm pretty useless at backing this thing. It's one of the first times after I fixed it. I have difficulties gauging here how far the end of the baler is to the bale basket, and I kind of mess it up here completely. Again, I got a lot better since then. You could put a visual gauge there, you know, a stick and a tennis ball on top or something like that if you're concerned, but I don't actually have the trouble I had here anymore after using it a few times. The bale basket is empty here, so I can easily just move it around. If it's full, you won't be able to do this, so you do really want to line it up much better. They call it EZ-Latch for a reason. You just push it down and it clicks in. To be on the safe side, you might want to use a locking pin just to make sure it doesn't detach. To attach the bale basket using the fancy Kubota tractor is a lot easier. I use a heavy hitch with a ball mount on it, and this becomes extremely easy. You just back it up, raise the 3-point hitch, and it just clicks in place. On the bale baskets you can actually remove the tongue. It's extendable, and there's a bolt that attaches it which you have to undo, but you can basically pull the whole thing out and work on a table in your workshop quite easily. You have to cut this thing off and weld the channel to it, and so you can actually bolt the coupler to it to make it fairly sturdy, and if you need to change the coupler at a later time you could. So a big shout out to Michigan Hay Sales for the idea. Absolutely fantastic way of improving the bale basket, that's for sure.